Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV, and today we're gonna do a first impression on this beautiful Pearl Crush Square Mini. And we'll also talk about the aesthetic of the purse, and then we're gonna do what fits, and of course, the bud shots at the end. So let's get started. So this is what the purse looks like up close, and it has a brushed gold hardware. I already removed the sticker and the tag, and look at this inside, guys. It has a beautiful leather lining, which is in gold, and this is made in Italy, and it looks like this. It also has a beautiful CC zipper pull here, and it has a slip pocket here and a zipper pocket at the back. And at the back of the purse, we also have this slip pocket. At the bottom, we have this puffy quilting, and also at the sides, at the front. And this one has a thinner strap than the classic ones. However, this is such a beautiful adjustable ball that made me buy this purse. So this one has a very nice mechanism. All you have to do is just push this CC to adjust the strap to make it shorter and longer. And it is just so easy, guys. Just have to do this or pull it. Very easy to adjust, and I really love this ball hardware, and that prompted me to buy this purse. Let's measure it, guys, so you'll be able to know the size of this purse. 7 inches across, and the height is 5 inches. 23 inches for the strap drop at its longest, 3 inches here at the bottom. Reason why I got this, because I was so fascinated of this ball chain, and even this little edge here has a CC logo here, and this one is taken from the design of the vintage Chanel that has the ball. However, they just added this mechanism so you can pull and push the strap to adjust it, and this is such a brilliant idea, as this is such a beautiful feature that they added to this purse. This is from the 20S collection, spring summer. If you are a true Chanel lover, you will really enjoy having this kind of purse with this mechanism. I've learned also that this quilting is not as puffy as classic ones, as the classic lambskin has more puff on the quilting. However, this one is more like deflated, and I want to see it as the vintage Chanel. This one is an updated vintage ball, and with the look of the vintage quilting on this particular purse, I think they just go together. It's just okay for me to see if this one is not as puffy as the classic ones. This is in soft lambskin, and I really don't like lambskin. I used to own a lambskin Chanel boy, and I've thought I've never ever owned another lambskin. However, with this particular piece, with this vintage ball that they brought back, I love this ball so much that I've accepted to own another lambskin. I'm really enjoying the look of it, and the smell of this leather is such a nice smell of leather. I'm having second thoughts of buying this because I would prefer a thicker strap on a particular square mini. This is my first square mini, so I'm thinking I would rather have the thicker strap. However, in my mind, the thicker strap doesn't have this ball hardware, which I really love. I've compromised to that thought, as I really love this adjustable strap. So I bought this without even seeing it in person, without knowing what the lambskin really looks like, because this is a different lambskin compared to the classic ones. So I bought this blindly, and when I got it, it was really love at first sight for me. Like, I am really so happy to have been able to jump on this piece, as this is such a beautiful piece to have, especially if you are a true Chanel lover. However, if you are very particular of the puffy lambskin that Chanel has, this is not for you. As for me, I don't mind it, as it really jive on the look of this vintage ball chain, and with the look of the vintage quilting, I think it goes together, in my opinion. Very beautiful gold lining. Each time you open it, you can see the gold lining, and it also matches this brush gold or antique gold hardware. And I like the brush gold hardware on this one, as it can be casual and classy, unlike with the really shiny gold hardware. This one is more like versatile, in my opinion. Like, you can wear it on formal occasions, and then you can also wear it with jeans and t-shirts, and it's just adjust to whatever look that you have, because this one has the look of a vintage and a trendy look. I tried this on the shorter strap by pulling this, and I really love the look of it. It's like an updated bum bag, in my opinion, or a classy version of a bum bag. You can wear this if you are wearing a dress and you're gonna put this on, and even with the shorter strap such as this, it really looks so classy and elegant. And I can wear it like this, or I can wear it like this, lengthening the strap as so. I usually put my crossbody purses here on my right shoulder. I hesitated at first in buying this because I'm thinking, how can the ball strap be seen if it is at the back? So I also tried using this by shortening it at the back like this, and then wearing it like this. And I like the look of the ball here at the side. So it looks like a different look, and I really love this strap dangling. Some people don't like it dangling, but for me, personally, I really love the look of the dangling strap, as it looks so casual and carefree. And this really fits my lifestyle. I don't usually wear purse here in my shoulder, as I'd rather do the crossbody purse. But this one, if I'll put it in here, it really looks good on a shorter strap. And again, I really love this chain hanging like so. I love this on the models at the runway. When this was first introduced, I didn't imagine that a regular mom such as me can also pull this off, because it is just so comfortable whenever you put it on your shoulder, whether it may be crossbody. So let's try to see what fit inside. So this is my the case of my iPhone 10, and this is very old. I need a new case. And this one fits here in front. If I'll put it in front, and if I'll put it at the back as well, like so, here at the back, it fits easily. So this purse is handmade. I can just easily grab it and put it back. So assuming my phone is inside, and I'm gonna bring my Louis Vuitton 6-key ring holder, card holder, and I still have space here at the side. Lipsticks. So my Dior and my Chanel lipstick here. Looks like this. So it looks organized. This hardware has a substantial weight to it, but I don't think it's heavy whenever I put it like this. I packed this well. I tried it with my phone inside. I don't find it heavy if I wear it, because this leather is so light. That's why the weight is not really that heavy for me. So I'm gonna remove this. This is what fits. An iPhone 10, a card holder, and a 6-key ring, 2 lipstick, and mints. So let's try to put different stuff inside. And I'm gonna put this cell phone inside, assuming this is a cell phone. So I'm gonna put it here so we'll be able to know the space. And then let's put this Victorine wallet. I'm gonna put back this lipstick. So let's say 1 lipstick or 2. Okay, 2 lipsticks inside. And I'm gonna add this Hermes Bastia. So this is what it looks like. So I have this Victorine wallet, Bastia, 2 lipsticks, and a cell phone. So basically, your essentials will gonna fit inside. And it's nice that it can fit our regular cell phone with a case because this leather is soft. I would definitely get a base shaper for this purse as this is such a soft leather purse, and I would like to maintain the shape of this purse. Overall, guys, even the quilting is not as puffy and this strap is not as thick compared to the classic ones. I really enjoy owning this piece, and as I've said, to me this is a collector's item as this ball is really special in my opinion. So this is it, guys. To sum it up, my first impression on this bag is really good. Like, I really love it. I am so happy that I was able to snag this as a lot of people are on waiting list on this purse. This is such a special piece for me that I'm gonna enjoy it for the years to come. So let's go ahead and do the mud shot, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe. So I'll see you all again next time, and may all of you have a wonderful day, and let's go ahead and do the mud shots. Bye!